Hello, here we are. I'm not sure on what day again, thinking day 22 or 3, not sure. Got this side sheeted, feels awesome. Of course I don't have the fascia board on there yet, but that'll all come. Apparently the lumber yards are still closed for one more day, so we'll let that happen. So now we're going to start working on this wall here, sheeting this wall. I got to sort out the height. You want all the doors to line up, and then you want the tops. The plan shows the tops of the windows lining up with the tops of the doors, which is pretty standard. So we'll start all that. It's going really good. Yeah, moving along. Things are going okay. I'm definitely not setting any records. That's okay. I'm enjoying it. I'm staying ahead of the cold. We do have the heated gloves on, heated liners. That's awesome. Ow. 31 and 5. Well, that was that little live footage. Hope you enjoyed that. End of the day here. Got that wall done, and we got this wall done. Can't do the soffit backing because I need this fascia on here yet, so that'll happen later. Tomorrow I got to order them some more material. I think I pretty much know what I need to finish. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Finally the windows are taking shape. Thanks for watching. Take care.